In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Wix header and footer, ensuring your website stands out and aligns with your unique brand identity. Let's get started with logging into your Wix account and opening your website project. Once you've opened your project, click on Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. For those using the Advanced Builder, this option may show as Edit in Wix Studio. We're going to start with the header. Move your cursor towards the top of your page until you see the header label appear. Click on it, and you'll notice it is highlighted with a blue outline. This is your global header, meaning it will appear on every page by default. If it doesn't, simply right-click the header and choose Show on All Pages. Next, let's dive into customizing the header background. Select your header and click on Change Header Background. Here, you can choose a solid color that matches your brand, a gradient, or even an image or video background. Adjusting the opacity can also create transparent effects that work beautifully over full-width hero images. If your brand features a logo, you'll want to add that next. Click plus add, then image, and select My Uploads to bring in your logo. Once it appears, resize it and place it on the left side of your header. To make your website more navigable, link your logo to your homepage by clicking on it, selecting Link and navigating to Page, then Home. For optimal clarity on desktops, keep your logo between 100 and 200 pixels in width. Now let's add or edit your navigation menu. Select your existing menu or add a new one via plus add, then Menu and Site menu. Customize your menu under Design by altering the font, color, and spacing. You can also manage menu links by clicking Manage Menu, then Add Link, and selecting either a page or URL. Consistency in button styles or hover effects will make your navigation clear and user-friendly. Consider making your header sticky or transparent, especially useful for websites with large hero sections. Click your header, and from the toolbar, enable Pin to Screen at the top. Alternatively, with Wix Studio, explore scroll behavior to achieve a transparent effect on scroll. Let's shift our focus to the footer. Scroll to the bottom of your page and hover until the footer label appears. Click on it to bring up your site's global footer. Typically, footers have navigation links, contact information, social media icons, and a copyright line like C 2025 your business name, all rights reserved. For visual balance, consider organizing elements into 3-4 columns. Change your footer background to a solid or gradient color for better contrast with your content. Adjust padding for a neat layout, ensuring a professional polish by using brand colors and typography. If you're feeling adventurous, add animations for a modern touch using effects such as fade in or reveal on scroll in Wix Studio. Don't forget to optimize for mobile by switching to mobile view and adjusting element sizes to improve usability. Simplifying your header and footer ensures easier navigation on smaller devices. Finally, preview your work by clicking the preview icon. Test all links and effects, and if satisfied, publish your site. Congratulations, you're now equipped with a customized Wix header and footer that brings your brand to life.